Time now for a check of your north central Washington weather forecast. Hope you had a great Wednesday, and what we're seeing here on our screen, this is our Billy Goat Sky-Fi tower camera. Yes, Pateros is under that cloud deck, as well as the Columbia River, also the Methow River, also the city of Brewster. You could just see Mount Kalispell along the U.S.-Canadian border, and this is what we had here in the Wenatchee Valley throughout the day today. It really kept our temperature down. We're going to have one more day of this, and then by the time we get into Friday, yeah, some snow will move into parts of our viewing area. We're talking mainly up around the Winthrop area. Some of that may move into Omak, and we are talking very light snowfall, but that isn't the case over in Stevens Pass. If you are traveling west, Stevens Pass, 4 to 6 inches of snow is possible as we move through the day, overnight into Friday and into Saturday. So travel not so great at that period if you're traveling this holiday period, but it will get better as we get into Saturday, and we'll talk about that in a second. High temperature today, as I mentioned, with that cloud deck, we didn't warm up quite like we thought we would today. 38 unofficially our high. 32 is where we should be for this time of year. Once again, second day in a row, beautiful one. Back in 2020, 51 degrees. 34 was our low this morning. 24 is normal, so way above for our normal low. And our record, 7 below zero, and that was set in 2008. Okay, we have a total now from that rain that we received Monday night into Tuesday, and it's 1/4 of an inch, which now gets us to 6.14 inches for the year. Not too bad, but consider this. Last year at this time, we were at 8.89 inches of moisture. So while we're just barely below where we should be, well below where we were last year at this time. Sunrise 7:45, and the sun set this afternoon at 4:12. All right, let's get you into Thursday. Temperature-wise, I think we're going to see less of this low cloud deck tomorrow. That should enable almost all of us to get to near 40. Columbia Basin should get there. 42s for Moses Lake and Ephrata. 41 your high in Quincy tomorrow, and then 40s to low 40s from Wenatchee all the way up into Omak, and we're talking mainly upper 30s then from Leavenworth to Kashmir. As we take a look at tonight, we do expect patchy drizzle. We did see a little bit of that this morning. It's mainly freezing fog that's falling from the sky. Cloudy skies overnight tonight. We'll see lows mainly into the mid-30s. There is high pressure nosing into the Pacific Northwest, but notice this area of low pressure. It's going to track across southern Canada, and by Thursday night into Friday, we're going to see some rain showers begin to develop. High pressure out in the Pacific will follow that, but here is that low, and we're going to see a lot of clouds and a lot of shower activity associated with that on Friday. Might see some rain mixed with snow, 70% chance of the wet stuff. High temperatures still fairly mild into those upper 30s, and then Saturday, this, folks, is your travel day. Sunny skies all across Washington state. It'll be dry. High temperatures right around that 40-degree mark. Sunday, Christmas Eve day, is when we begin to cool off a little bit. We will see another storm begin to push in. There will be some activity, mainly in western Washington, so I'm not as confident that we're going to see the wet stuff Christmas Eve as I was last night. High temperatures in the mid-30s. For Christmas Day, we talked about a decent chance for rain. That is now down to 20% on Christmas Day, and that'll mainly be morning rain and snow showers. Cloudy skies with high temperatures on Christmas into those mid-30s. And then for Tuesday, look at the size of this low pressure off the Pacific Northwest coast. That will begin to push some clouds our way on Tuesday. It'll also bring us about a 30% chance of rain and snow with high temperatures on Tuesday into the mid-30s. All right, let's take a look now at your 7-day forecast. Overnight tonight, 34 degrees. Carbon copy today for tomorrow. I think a little bit warmer though, 40 for our high, and then a wet one on Friday. We'll see a rain-snow mix with a high temperature of 39. Quiet weather. This is our best travel day on Saturday. Sunny and nice. We'll see highs about 40, and then cooler weather for Sunday and 34 before a slight chance for rain mixed with snow moves into our forecast for Christmas Day, and once again on Tuesday with high temperatures in the mid-30s.